Hello and welcome to Mrs. Crawford's Math Help. Today I'm going to show you how to use an algorithm for long division. To start, I like to use the acronym Does McDonald's Sell Burgers? This acronym is helpful to remember because the D stands for divide, the M stands for multiply, the S stands for subtract, and the B stands for bring down. Let's start with a practice problem. If I have 725 divided by 5, the first thing that I'm going to do is to divide. I'm going to look at the number that's in the hundreds place. That's my 7. I'm going to divide that number by my outside number 5. Now I know that 7 cannot be divided by 5, so I'm going to find the number that can go closest to it, which is 1. I know that my next step is to multiply. 1 times 5 is 5, which I'm going to write under the 7. The next thing that I do is subtract. I'm going to subtract 7 minus 5, which is 2. Lastly, I have to bring down. I'm going to bring down the number that's in the tens place, which is my 2. Now I'm looking at the number 22. After I've gone through all of my steps, I have to repeat. I'm going to divide again. 22 divided by 5 can't work out so evenly, but I know it can go closest to 4. My next step is to multiply. The last number I wrote down, 4, times the outside number, which is 5. I know that 4 times 5 is 20. The next step is to subtract. 22 minus 20 is 2. Lastly, I have to bring down. Bring down the number in my ones place, which is a 5. I'm going to start back up at the top, divide. 25 divided by 5. I know that that can go evenly, which is 5. The next step is to multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. Then I'm going to subtract, which is 25 minus 25, which is 0. And my last step would be to bring down. Since I have no other numbers to bring down, I know that I'm done. 725 divided by 5 is equal to 145.